Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can join Grow a Garden Discord server, and it will be a step-by-step video for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, in the search panel you just need to search your gaming name, that is Grow a Garden, and once you click over here then it will redirect you to the gaming page where you just need to be inside to that one. This is the growth, and now you just need to be scroll down until you find out the Discord community. So here under the social links you will find out their X, then YouTube, and also the join our community. You just need to click over here. Once you click over here then Discord will be open that place, and once you open that place you just need to be add it here, and here you can see we already get accept as we simple. You just need to click over here and you are already associated with that Discord servers. The process is really simple. I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.